Imagine a blockchain quietly building under the radar, paused to redefine how we use crypto in the everyday life. Would XPR Network be the next trendsetter in the crowded crypto universe? Today, we dive deep into the real-time news, market signals, and the technology behind the XPR to answer one burning question. Will XPR Network rise above the noise and set the next wave of innovation? So this is Inside Sphere. I am Asif, and in this we dive deep and unpack XPR Network's fundamentals, recent developments, community momentum, and market performance, and potential catalysts that could make it in the next big name in decentralized application and payments. So stick around if you want to actionable perspectives. I'm briefly discussing again the XPR network's fundamentals and vision. Actually, originally known as Proton Network, launched back in 2020 out of San Francisco as a public blockchain focused on seamless peer-to-peer payments, identity integration, and consumer applications. Built as a layer one proof of stake chain leveraging WebAssembly smart contracts, XPR aims for high performance, scalable transactions with zero gas fees for end users. The vision extends to enabling developers to build tokens, NFT, decentralized exchanges, lending markets, and more, while users enjoy familiar username-based addresses and fee-less transaction experiences. But lofty visions must be backed by execution. So let's examine what's happening right now. So as of today, XPR Network's token price hovers around 0.003058 USD with a 24-hour trading volume near $3.28 million and market cap of approximately $84.42 million. Uh, Over the past week, the token has decline of roughly 6.1%, underperforming of both the broader crypto market and comparable smart contract platforms. However, short-term dips often coincide with strategic developments. So let's examine recent developments that could drive XPR trajectory. Number one is long staking returns relaunch. The XPR network recently reintroduced long staking mechanism, allowing participants to leverage assets aligned with Bitcoin's fluctuations, potentially boosting network security and token demand. Second one is governance dashboard beta launch. Metallicus XPR-led developer announced the beta launch of a governance dashboard signaling maturing on chain governance structures. Third one is developer bounties and ecosystem. XPR Grants Fund and Bounties program incentivize developers to build on the network from wallets to decentralized finance models, evidenced by plugin Fourth one is rebranding and partnerships. The shift from Proton Network to XPR Network has been formalized with announcements shared on official channels aiming to broaden appeal beyond original payment focused use cases. So let's discuss the technicals. Late June is upon us and early July on the horizon. Where will XPR Network's price head next? If you trade or invest in XPR, you can't miss this. So let's identify support and resistance zones based on recent price action. The low of the past 24 hours near 0.00290 act as a near-term support. Break below 0.00285 could signal extension toward a 0.00280. The intraday high around a 0.00330 is the first hurdle. A sustained breakout above 0.00330 on increased volume would open the door toward a 0.00340. Uh, while specific moving average crossings vary by platform, price currently trades below many short-term moving averages, indicating bearish bias unless price reclaims a 0.00320 zones on volume. Daily volumes near $3 million USD can cause 5 to 10% swings. Watch for spikes in volume when approaching support or resistance to confirm moves. Traders should monitor order book depth on major exchanges to gauge liquidity at these levels. If late June volatility intensifies, uh, these zones will be critical for entries or exit. Several forecasting services provide short-term projections. For example, Maxi weekly forecast projects by June 23, 2025, XPR could reach um, 0.0033, while by June 25 it might average near 0.003057. Um, Coin Codex anticipates for June 2025 a range roughly 0.00306 with expected value around 0.0033. These forecasts reflect modest upside potential if bullish catalysts emerge, but also highlight downside risk near 0.00306 or lower if broader market remains weak. Beyond technicals, macro events can savvy crypto sentiment. In mid-June, geopolitical tensions triggered a risk of moves. For instance, markets reacted to developments in the Middle East, causing Bitcoin dips below 103K, briefly pressuring altcoins. Expect that if macro risk intensifies, uh, XPR could follow broader crypto down. Conversely, any positive news specific to XPR network, like a new partnership announcement, staking update, or ecosystem launch, could catalyze late June rallies. As we edge into early July, consider two primary scenarios based on late June performance. If price closes late June above 0.0033 with a solid volume, early July could see a retest of 0.0035 and potentially challenge 0.00365, assuming market conditions support altcoin rallies. Sustained demand might push toward 0.00 400. If further positive news arrives, there might be a bearish pullback if price breaks below 0.00280 late June. Early July could extend down to 0.00275. In this case, watch for oversold signals on early and daily charts for potential rebound attempts, but be prepared for choppiness. Traders should predefine entry and exit levels for both scenarios. For swing traders, late June support test near 0.00285 can offer risk reward if aiming for bounce to 0.00320. For breakout traders, a decisive move above 0.0033 flags potential targets in early July. Given XPR's liquidity and volatility, risk management is paramount. Avoid oversized positions. Use a small percentage of portfolio for speculative targets. For long entries near support 0.00285, set stops slightly below, that is 0.00275, to limit loss if a breakdown occurs. For breakout entries above 0.00330, consider near 0.00320 in case of fake outs. Define clear targets. In bullish case, incremental profits taking near 0.00350 and 0.00380. In bearish case, consider short positions or hedges if breakdown confirmed with targets near 0.00270. Use multiple time frames to confirm shifts. Set price alerts around critical zones. By following these guidelines, you will be prepared to navigate XPR's price swings in late June and early July. Remember that markets can defy predictions, so stay agile and update your analysis with fresh data as events unfold. So, will XPR breakout in late June or dip further into early July? Only time and market dynamics will tell, but with this real-time framework, you will be equipped to respond swiftly. If you found this analysis helpful, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for real-time crypto breakdowns on Inside Sphere. Drop your thoughts. What do you see by July 1st? Let's discuss in the comments. Trade smart, Stay informed, and I will see you in the